Morning from our hotel here in Chiang Rai. We're gonna explore Chiang Rai. We're gonna go to the south, to the White Temple, to the north, to the Black House, and I'm gonna show you a bit of the hotel. This is not a sponsored vlog. We tried if we can stay here for free, but still we want to show you a little bit of our hotel. We were riding to the Black House, the museum, and I saw this temple. It's the second temple I saw. I just wanted to show you that there are more beautiful things to see.
We are at the Baan Dam Museum, also known as Black House Museum, because of all the black houses.
I don't know, black art, I think.
Black art, yeah, but also why it's called Black House, because of all the black houses.
Yeah.
We'll show you how it looks like, so you can decide for yourself.
You see 3 houses just in 20 meters, and so it just goes on and on and on, and here's a house again, and then on my right side there's a house again. So there is really a lot of art to see, and that just for only 80 baht each. I think it's very nice so far, yeah. Well, it's much bigger as I thought. I thought it was the Black House and some art in a garden, but it is really big here. So I think so far I'm very happy with this museum. It's very nice. Yeah. Any thoughts for you?
We saw a lot of penises.
Oh yeah. So it is 8:30 and we arrived at the White Temple. As you can see, we're not the only ones here. I didn't expect it. You thought it as well, that there will be a lot of people. I don't think it's possible to be here alone. Maybe if you're earlier at sunrise, but I still think there are a lot of people. It's a very popular tourist site. So still, I really recommend you go in the morning.
Yeah, even earlier than this, because it's 8:30 and it's already busy.
The White Temple is also known as Wat Rong Khong. It seemed that there was an earthquake in 2014 and it was almost closed because there was a lot of damage. I don't think you can see anything of that damage right now. Luckily, there were very many donations, so the temple is still here. And it seemed that there are supposed to be 9 temples in 2017. I thought this was the temple, the White Temple, but we saw a golden temple behind there. And there's supposed to be 9 buildings total, but the building takes, of course, very long. So in 2017 is the guess that it will be finished. Yeah, it's white because it's supposed to represent the purity of Buddha. And you saw the beautiful mosaic, the silver mosaic, and that's supposed to represent the wisdom of the Buddha. Sorry, the sun is very low and shining in my face. We need to dress properly. I forgot my pants. Very dumb. I had shorts and we're in a temple, but you can rent one for 20 baht, you can buy one for 120 baht. Cover your shoulders, and you're not allowed to take pictures inside the temple, so we couldn't show you. Yeah, it's very nice, and I was surprising that there are more temples, not just one. So maybe if you visit it, there will be another temple and another one, because there should be 9 in the future.